Wikidonist.com. Truth about tooth.
Hi viewers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching this videos. You have been continuously been a support. You have commented. You have been tremendous on my videos. You hope it was useful and it has helped your friends and family also to understand more about dentistry and dental things. So thank you very much. Keep the positive attitude. Please send me all your comments. If you want something else to be talked about, please let me know. In dentistry, whatever topics would you like to, if you have some queries, please make sure that you comment on this channel itself. Keep on letting me know what all you want to know about dentistry, what all changes you want, even in even if you would like to me to do something different or something to be clarified, please let me know. And today we are going to talk about the most dreadful topic, root canal treatment. Most of the people are dreadful about this because they think that root canal is something really painful, something dreadful, something the experiences of some people have been very bad, so they think that it has not changed, or the experience about root canal treatment, the failure they have encountered has been transmitted more than the goodness. Most of the time the media itself, sometimes social media itself goes on to the hook on to the bad things about most of the things, and then we are hooked on to that. But root canal treatment was a treatment of the past itself, because it was started somewhere in 1800s itself. There are documents and there have been researches on it, and from by 1900 we have extensive research which was done, and most of the researchers was talking about its failures, and that is how the research has helped root canal to evolve and come to a point where the root canal is no more what they have been doing some time back, but now it is much better, much easier, much faster, and much more painless and much more comfortable. So today I will speak about root canal in general, and I will talk about why a root canal treatment. Why should you do a root canal treatment? It is to save your natural tooth. Why should you save the natural tooth? Why don't we replace it? Nothing is better than natural. First thing you should understand, nothing is better than natural. There are a group of people who are telling that it is better to go for artificial things, but nothing is far from the truth. Natural is the best. Unless we can't save the tooth, please don't replace it. So if you have delayed your treatment of caries, once it reaches the pulp, once the pulp gets infected, then we suggest a root canal treatment. What is a root canal treatment? People think that it is about cutting the roots. So many people told that if you do the root canal treatment you are cutting the tooth. Sorry, it was apicectomy. What is apicectomy? Apicectomy is cutting the apex of the tooth. That is why it is called as apicectomy, or cutting the root of the tooth. This was one of the primitive methods which was jointly done with root canal treatment, because they could not see it with an X-ray, or the infection could not be removed at the time. Even now we do sometimes, very few times. We have in my practice we have done more than around 10,000 to 20,000 root canals in a joint way. I have done more than 10,000 root canals, and out of which around 3 or 4 had to be done with apicectomy, because there was a cyst under that, or sometimes 3 or 4 is what I have done. There are cyst removals other than that, but otherwise apicectomy is not done along with root canals, or cutting of root is not done. Then what is root canal treatment? It is not cutting of root. Then what is it? It is the cleaning of the canals completely, thoroughly, and debacterialization or decontamination of the canals thoroughly, so that we can fill that whole canal using an inert material which will not allow any more bacteria to grow. So, what is a root canal treatment basically? Root canal treatment is the cleaning of the canals completely till the tip of the canal or from the entrance into the tooth. Why does a canal is there? Because there are lot of nerves and vessels which is coming into the tooth, into the pulp. So, the pulp chamber and the canals are infected with your bacteria which has come from outside. So, this infection has to be removed. How do you remove it? We clean it with mechanically using a file and a cleaning solution. We will clean it up chemically and mechanically, and we clean out all this debris and also the nerves, vessels and also the bacteria. So, all these things are done mechanically, chemically or with antibiotics. So, after that what we do is we clean up the whole area, we make sure that the canal is ready for the filling material. So, we prepare the canal, we widen the canal so that we shave off all whatever is there on the canal walls also, and then we fill it with an inert material so that there will not be any more bacterial infection from retrograde infections, or if you get sick, if you get infected with some other bacteria, it should not get back into the root and cause problems to the tooth. So, that is why root canal treatment is done, and that is how the root canal treatment is done. There are different methods of it, there are different ways to do it. There are older methods which has even the older methods which was done 40 years back, 50 years back in my own dad's clinic. My clinic is a practice of 55 years, and 50 years back whatever root canal has been done is still been there. I even have seen some of the root canals of the past around 70 years, 80 years back, what was done by my dad's brother-in-law has been, it was also there when I started my practice. I have seen some of them, and I have seen that it also lasted for some time, but that does not mean that the technique was right or it was filled fully, but it has survived, the tooth has survived. So, root canal treatment I want to say is nothing to be dreaded of. There are success, there are failures. We will talk about it in the next videos. Why a success, why the failures, what is the techniques used nowadays, what is the difference between root canal of the past. All these things will be covered in the next few videos about root canal treatments. Hope you have watched all my videos about gum treatment and things like that, or even smile treatment, smile designing and all those things. If you have not, please watch it, please share and give all the comments that you have about root canal treatments. I will be especially talking about a topic on myths about root canal treatment. The next video is on that. Please watch it and I will speak on that. Until then, goodbye.
Wikidonist.com